How do I update my Hyundai Alcazar maps? To update the maps on your Hyundai Alcazar, you can follow these steps. 1. Start by visiting the Hyundai website and navigating to the MapCare section. 2. Next, enter your Hyundai Alcazar's VIN vehicle identification number and click on Search. 3. If your vehicle is eligible for a map update, you will need to download the MapCare application. 4. The MapCare application can be downloaded from the Hyundai website onto your computer. 5. Once the application is downloaded, connect a USB drive to your computer. 6. Follow the instructions to install the MapCare application onto the USB drive. 7. After the MapCare application is installed on the USB drive, remove it from your computer. 8. Now, insert the USB drive into the USB port in your Hyundai Alcazar and turn on the ignition. 9. Follow the on-screen instructions to update the maps on your vehicle. 10. The update process may take some time, so be patient and do not turn off the ignition during the update. 11. Once the update is complete, remove the USB drive from the USB port. 12. Congratulations! You have successfully updated the maps on your Hyundai Alcazar. If you are still any issues, you can contact customer support for assistance. Link in description box.